Thank you for choosing EvenMix. This video is intended to explain how to install the EvenMix open-top mixer into your open-top container. First, put your mixing shaft through the open-top bracket. Second, place the mixing shaft into the drive's output and fasten it with the through bolt. Third, fasten the open-top bracket onto the drive. Fourth, place the mixer into the open-top container. Fifth, adjust the screw to secure it to the container. Sixth, note that you can change the angle of the mixer from 15 degrees to 25 degrees to 30 degrees, whatever your choice. Lastly, to remove, unsecure the bracket and pull it out of the container. Thank you for watching this instructional video on how to install your EvenMix open top mixer. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact us at EvenMix. I'm Phil Rankin, the founder of EvenMix. Thanks for your time.